ilukumin kai lukumin lu eburok lu adoketa kere kesi diara ochalo lo apirir eteba samuk amuria district ai boro lo edari kwape apollo kinto ai napeta nu apol district plada serere Francis Otwal Kotoma anuke okana etolo shobian Bishop Matthew Omagor yesi Apollo kit alimonokin ejiri.
Do no harm. Siri pelek asom acheke meroko. And this warning is coming to all of us today. Do no harm. How are you making your choices? Be careful with your choices. Ensure that you don't do harm to yourself.
Apollon Echolong LOC5 Serere Stephen Ochola nese buoro la tuan kwape esomani lo akukurana.
Pupujo echene resine la lomo tu. Amira chepa kengo adole ralimu na chekiro numa mtinga wa mitbe tingali mwane. Nare jachene betingo ai hanolinga kwape papale district. Sete so betuana na lepereta okinga. Ngesile perongar ne wok. Etwana lemina na jamin. But above all, Francis was not corrupt. Mom Francis akokolana.
Martha Otwal na rai apuserutu ke kalo abuton Francis Otwal nesa balebe atwana okilenike ilaete ake kanin.
My husband had a very hard time to work in Serere because of the salvation that he had. That most people took him to be a very bad man because he did not want to do what the world wanted. And every time he would come back and tell me, sweetheart, there is another step again. I don't know which step to take. And we would sit and share it together. But the biggest challenge, the first thing that he had, that challenged him when he first joined local government was the thing of people making him sign attendances of what he did not know.
Etutose borokichi eda Otwal kwape enareno lo abelianga koma ekoto amidicho na isirigi.
Francis has lived a short life, but the life has been a very good one. I think we need to take courage and condemn this, if it is true. A professional, it's just some lunatic with no value. And somebody can afford it to take somebody's life over no value.
The message is, and this is the truth, successful people have a lot of enemies, failures have a lot of supporters. May his soul rest in eternal peace.
Whatever happens, the Lord okays it. That he could have gone the bad way, but the Lord has said yes. And when he does not say yes, it does not come to pass.
Kanwa TV East, Tolbert Edaiti, Etema Samu Kamuria District.